Dear friends, today I am going to explain how we can perform PMD in optical fiber link. First of all, we have to switch on this PMD analyzer. Then we have to switch on this CD source. Sorry, the CD source. Now today also we are going to use 1 kilometer G655 fiber dummy fiber. This is otherwise called a launch pad. This dummy we have connectorized both ends. Okay, we did splice with a patch cord. Okay, now we can connect one end of this dummy with this PMD analyzer. First we have to clean this. Okay, with alcohol swab. Clean this with alcohol swab. Open the, now the booting is over. This is PMD module. We have to switch on this PMD module. Okay, then we will connect this. Here we can see. You can see the PMD module here. So this is PMD module. Okay, so connect it with the PMD module. Okay, connect the patch cord perfectly. Then now it is visible. Then take the other end of this dummy. Take the other end of this dummy. Okay, that is also connected with another pigtail. Clean the pigtail connector, and we can clean it with the connector cleaner also. Okay, clean it like this. Then how to connect it with the source, PMD source. Okay, connect properly. Okay, now this analyzer is on. Okay, now we have to change some distance because we have to change the kilometer. In kilometer we have only 1.1 kilometer. Okay, and the other one is we have to change the fiber number. We will start from fiber number 1 and C plus L band. Okay, here also you can see the C plus L band. Then we can check. We have to give the job ID and what is the core and all, and from where to where, all these things we have to give. Okay, then exit notepad. Then we can start this. Okay, we have to first start this source. Okay, this blue button is the laser. Okay, start button. Press the laser start button. Now you can see the on. Laser is on now. Okay, see here you can see the status bar of this power level. So this equipment is sending to the analyzer. Okay, so this is the setting. Okay, so one end of this normally we are using for the testing of link 1 to 100 kilometer or 150 kilometer like that, we have to use the referenced patch code. Okay, referenced patch code, we have to connect it with the PMD module. Then the other end will go to the patch panel. Okay, connect it with the number 1 patch panel. Then this other patch code we have already taken reference, that will connect with this source, and the other end will go to the far end FSTP patch panel. Okay, now we don't have that link here, so we are using, instead of that link, we are using only 1.1 kilometer dummy, and here this dummy is having connectors. Okay, we have already spliced the pigtail. See, you can see here the splice with pigtail, here also one splice with the pigtail. So this is fiber 1 kilometer, 1.1 kilometer. Okay, we have to give the length of this fiber here. Okay, then you can see the signal length, because the laser is on now. Okay, now the signal has arrived to the PMD source. So PMD, as you know, that this polarization mode dispersion. Okay, now we have already filled the template also, notepad also. Okay, now it is ready for test. You can start this one. Okay, now we got the trace. This is PMD trace. So PMD value is available here, and PMD coefficient is there. PMD coefficient is 0.0441 picosecond per kilometer into okay, 0.0441.
We have to take this value as picosecond per kilometer. Okay, that is the coefficient of PMD here. It should not exceed 0.2 picosecond per kilometer. Okay, and if the value exceed 0.2 picosecond per kilometer, then the fiber is not good. We have to consider that if there is micro bend in the fiber, or if there is bad coupler may be there, or stress on the fiber link. So these are the cause of increasing PMD. The PMD value should not increase 0.2 picosecond per kilometer. It should always be below 0.2 picosecond per kilometer. Then only the fiber will be accepted. If not, the fiber will consider as not good. So we have to check whether whether any micro bend in the fiber link, or there is any bad coupler on the link, or there is any fiber stress in the link. So then we can copy this, and we can save this file to the folder. We can print the trace also. Okay, this is PMD test. So if there is any doubt, you can comment me, and I will explain you. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, if this channel is good, or if the subject is good, you like this one, you can share this to your friends also. Okay, and subscribe my channel, and you can press the bell button, so that you will reach, you can be accessed with my new videos. Okay, thank you for watching the channel.